In this video we will explore the remarkable health benefits of fennel water, a refreshing drink that can enhance your well-being. Fennel water is not only hydrating but also packed with essential nutrients that can positively impact your body. Viewers can expect to learn about its various effects, including improved digestion, reduced bloating, and potential weight management support. Additionally, we will discuss how fennel water can aid in detoxification and boost your metabolism. Incorporating healthy drinks like fennel water into your daily routine is crucial for maintaining overall health and vitality. By the end of this video, you'll understand why adding fennel water to your diet can be a simple yet effective step towards a healthier lifestyle. Fennel water can significantly improve sleep quality, primarily due to the role of fennel seeds in boosting melatonin production. Melatonin is a hormone that regulates sleep-wake cycles, and fennel seeds contain compounds that may enhance its secretion, promoting deeper and more restful sleep. Quality sleep is essential for overall health as it aids in recovery, supports cognitive function, and plays a crucial role in weight loss by regulating hunger hormones. To harness the sleep-enhancing benefits of fennel seeds, consider consuming fennel water before bedtime, or incorporating the seeds into your evening meals. You can also brew fennel tea, or add crushed seeds to smoothies for a soothing nighttime ritual. By integrating fennel into your routine, you can pave the way for improved sleep and overall wellness. Fennel water can play a significant role in enhancing metabolism, which is crucial for energy usage in the body. A well-functioning metabolism helps convert food into energy efficiently, supporting various bodily functions and maintaining a healthy weight. Fennel seeds are known to contain compounds that can stimulate metabolic rates, promoting better digestion and nutrient absorption. By increasing the metabolic rate, fennel seeds can help the body burn calories more effectively, making it easier to manage weight. Incorporating fennel water into your daily routine can be a simple yet effective strategy for those looking to boost their metabolism and support weight management. By drinking fennel water regularly, you can harness its benefits and contribute to a healthier lifestyle while achieving your weight goals. Fennel water can be beneficial in regulating blood pressure, primarily due to its impact on nitrate levels in saliva. Nitrates are converted into nitric oxide, which helps relax blood vessels and improve circulation, ultimately aiding in blood pressure control. Additionally, fennel seeds are rich in potassium, a mineral known for its ability to counteract sodium's effects and help maintain healthy blood pressure levels. Potassium promotes vasodilation, which can further support cardiovascular health. Regular consumption of fennel seeds, whether through fennel water or other preparations, can contribute to heart health by helping to manage blood pressure effectively. By incorporating fennel into your diet, you can take proactive steps toward maintaining a healthy cardiovascular system and overall well-being. Drinking fennel water offers notable digestive benefits, particularly in relieving constipation and bloating. Fennel seeds contain natural compounds that help relax the muscles in the gastrointestinal tract, promoting smoother digestion and easing discomfort. The essential oil found in fennel seeds, known as anethole, plays a crucial role in stimulating digestive enzymes, which can enhance nutrient absorption and reduce gas buildup. By incorporating fennel water into your daily routine, you can experience significant relief from digestive issues, making it a valuable addition to your diet. Regular consumption of fennel water not only aids in digestion, but also supports overall gut health. Encourage viewers to embrace this simple yet effective remedy for improved digestive wellness and comfort. Fennel water can be a helpful ally in addressing respiratory issues, primarily due to the phytonutrients found in fennel that aid in clearing sinuses. These compounds possess anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce congestion and promote easier breathing. Additionally, fennel tea made from fennel seeds offers similar benefits for respiratory health. The warm infusion can soothe the throat and help alleviate symptoms associated with colds and allergies. Drinking fennel tea may also help to relax the airways, making it easier to breathe. Viewers are encouraged to try fennel tea as a natural remedy for respiratory relief, especially during allergy season or when experiencing respiratory discomfort. Incorporating fennel into your wellness routine can support better respiratory function and overall health. Ayurveda, an ancient system of medicine originating in India, emphasizes balance and harmony within the body, utilizing natural remedies to promote health and well-being. Fennel seeds are highly regarded in Ayurveda for their healing properties, particularly their ability to cool the body in hot climates. Fennel water, made from these seeds, can help reduce excess heat, making it an excellent choice for hydration during warm weather. The seeds are also known for their digestive benefits and ability to soothe inflammation. Today, as people seek natural alternatives to conventional medicine, the relevance of Ayurvedic practices continues to grow. Viewers are encouraged to explore the healing potential of fennel and incorporate it into their wellness routines, embracing the benefits of this versatile herb for overall health. Fennel water can be an effective tool for controlling nighttime cravings, primarily due to the role of fennel seeds in reducing hunger pangs. These seeds contain compounds that help regulate appetite, making it easier to resist the urge to snack late at night. Additionally, fennel is rich in antioxidants, which promote overall health by combating oxidative stress and supporting the immune system. By drinking fennel water in the evening, you can not only curb those pesky cravings but also enjoy the added health benefits that come from its antioxidant properties. Viewers are encouraged to incorporate fennel water into their nightly routine as a natural way to avoid late-night snacking, helping to maintain a balanced diet and support their wellness goals. Fennel seeds may play a role in reducing cancer risk, primarily due to their free radical scavenging properties. These seeds are rich in antioxidants, which help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body, thereby protecting cells from oxidative damage that can lead to cancer development. Several studies have indicated that fennel may have protective effects against certain types of cancers, including breast and colon cancer, thanks to its bioactive compounds that inhibit tumor growth and promote apoptosis in cancer cells. By incorporating fennel into your diet, you can take proactive steps toward cancer prevention. Viewers are encouraged to consider fennel as a valuable addition to a cancer-preventive diet, harnessing its health benefits while enjoying its unique flavor in various dishes and beverages. Fennel water offers numerous benefits for skin health, making it a fantastic addition to your beauty routine. Fennel seeds contain antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties that can improve skin clarity and help reduce blemishes, promoting a clearer complexion. Additionally, fennel is rich in essential minerals like potassium, calcium, and magnesium, which are vital for maintaining healthy skin. These minerals support skin elasticity and hydration, contributing to a youthful appearance. By incorporating fennel water into your daily regimen, you can enjoy its natural glow-enhancing properties. Viewers are encouraged to use fennel water not only as a refreshing drink, but also as a soothing facial rinse to harness its skin-loving benefits, helping to achieve a radiant and healthy complexion. Fennel water plays a significant role in detoxifying the body, primarily by promoting regular bowel movements. Fennel seeds contain dietary fiber, which aids digestion and helps prevent constipation, ensuring that toxins are efficiently eliminated from the body. Additionally, fennel is low in calories, making it a healthy choice for those looking to maintain or lose weight, while still enjoying flavorful beverages. The seeds also possess diuretic properties, which can help flush out excess fluids and toxins, further supporting the detoxification process. By incorporating fennel water into your daily routine, you can enhance your body's natural detoxification efforts. Viewers are encouraged to drink fennel water regularly to reap its cleansing benefits and support overall health and well-being. Fennel water can be an effective natural remedy for purifying the blood, primarily by helping to prevent uric acid accumulation in the body. High levels of uric acid can lead to various health issues, including gout and kidney stones, but fennel seeds contain compounds that support the elimination of excess uric acid. Additionally, fennel water promotes liver health, which is crucial for detoxification and blood purification. A healthy liver efficiently processes toxins and waste products, ensuring that the blood remains clean and free from harmful substances. By incorporating fennel into your daily routine, whether through fennel water or other preparations, you can support your blood health and overall well-being. Viewers are encouraged to embrace fennel as a simple yet powerful addition to their wellness regimen. In summary, drinking fennel water daily offers a multitude of health benefits that can enhance your overall well-being. From aiding digestion and regulating blood pressure to promoting healthy skin and purifying the blood, fennel water is a versatile and nutritious addition to your diet. It can also help control cravings, support liver health, and reduce the risk of certain diseases. We encourage viewers to take action by trying fennel water for themselves and experiencing its remarkable effects firsthand. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like the video, and share it with friends and family who may also benefit from these health tips. Together, let's embrace a healthier lifestyle with the power of fennel.